All right, welcome to Module 6. In this module, we're going to cover two chapters. Chapter 10, which deals with correlation, and Chapter 11, which deals with regression. But in both cases, this lecture and this module more generally deals with situation in which all of our variables are continuous. Across all of our last couple of modules, we've had dichotomous or categorical independent variables. In chapters 10 and chapters 11, we have a continuous independent and dependent variable. So this lecture is going to start by discussing the characteristics of correlation coefficients, and then we're going to learn about a specific correlation coefficient, Pearson's correlation coefficient. We're going to calculate it and learn to test it for significance. We're going to talk about partial correlation as a technique to remove the influence of a third variable, and then we're going to end this discussion talking about the requirements for Pearson's correlation. And so just to kind of repeat myself, in terms of how we're going to understand correlation at an overview level, we've gone over several techniques now to investigate the relationships between categorical independent variables and continuous dependent variables. So all of our mean comparisons that we learned about in Chapter 7 and all of our analysis of variance techniques that we learned about in Chapter 8 deal with categorical independent variables. This chapter deals with assessing degrees of relationships between two continuous variables.